In this video, I'm going to show you guys a method that's very helpful when identifying the general area of where your support and resistance zones should go. So here in front of me, we have a candlestick chart. We have price displayed as candlesticks. Okay. Now, a real easy trick to get rid of some of this clutter and get a general idea of where we should be putting our support and resistance zones. If we go right up here, these two candlesticks, click this button, come down here and click line. And what this is going to do is display price as a solid fluent line. Now what the line shows is the closing price for this time frame. Every candle close, this line chart shows. And it gets rid of all the clutter, it gets rid of the wicks, and it makes everything very fluent. Now when doing this, it becomes much easier to identify these areas of support and resistance. So here on the line chart, I can very easily see that we have all these rejections here. I can tell that price has come up and has fallen. Price has reacted here. There's something here that keeps pushing price down. There's a level here, and it's very clear. It's a lot easier to see when it is in a line chart. But right here, we have our resistance. So with all these touches here, all these reactions here, we can take our line tool and we can place a line here. This lets me know that there is resistance, a support and resistance zone within this general area we have right here. Now, they are zones. It's going to get a little messy even on the line chart, but you can see it's very easy to tell where these areas are located. It's not precise, okay? We're going to get into the precise stuff in the next couple of videos, but this is a way to spot the general area where you should be looking to draw your support and resistance zones, okay? Now, moving forward, we have reactions here. Price is bouncing from this level. We have a level here that is acting as support all through here. So let's label this support. This is our area of support. And it becomes much easier to see, much more clear on this line chart. Now we can come through, take our line tool, and we'll try and line this stuff up as best we can. Now to get the right area, we want to look around at everything. There's some slippage here. It's not going to be precise. We're gonna really perfect these in the up and coming videos and make sure everyone knows how to be very specific when drawing their support and resistance zones. Okay, but if we look over here, we can also tell that this support here, this support and resistance zone, also has reactions on it from a resistance standpoint. If we look over here, we can tell that this support we have drawn along here has also acted as resistance. Okay, this is just more confluence that we have the right area marked here. We have another resistance. Now, following our support and resistance line, the bottom one here, we can also see that it held as support yet again, right here in this area. So again, we have this support and resistance zone acting as support here. This is what we're looking at. This is what we want to see. Our top resistance line up here also acts as a support over here in these areas. We can see support here, here, right here. And that's what we want to see. We want to see reactions on both sides of these levels. And it's clear that we do have that here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to flip back to the candlestick chart and take a look. All right.